So, 2 of 3 have been announced. That only leaves 1 left, if my mathematics is correct still.
I think so, Stuart. It has been a long exhibition so far, but
it's been a lot
that was
of planning. We're still in there. So with that, we'd like to introduce our first place winner of the Productronica Fast Forward Awards 2021. The winner is ioTech. And to receive the award, we have Hervé Javis, CEO and co-founder of ioTech, with us today. ioTech is headquartered in London, in the UK, and have a research and development operation running in Israel. They have developed continuous laser assisted deposition, or CLAD, which is an additive manufacturing process for PCBs and other aspects of electronics manufacturing. So with that, I'd like to invite Hervé Javis here to the stage to join us, please, along with our platinum sponsor, Benjamin Klingenberg from NCAB Group, Germany. Please join us. So, congratulations.
Thank you.
Back on the stage here with us today for Productronica. The technology is unbelievable. I was looking at the video again last night just to understand it, and it's to see the video with the laser working and applying material to a sheet of plastic. It's very similar to some of the science fiction movies we've seen where structures have been created seemingly, but obviously that was just made up, and now we see that as a reality. What has been the key to your success in getting this technology to the stage it's at today?
That's a very good question, and the worst is that it works, which is unbelievable. And the success is very simple. I went out, I spoke with Michael Zenu, Dr. Michael Zenu, and after 6 months I convinced him that his place was doing a startup with me. So that's how it worked, and the rest is history. What happened then is that we started working on a technology. We had no idea what we'd do with it, but the technology was right. And working on technology parallel, we were basically trying to find the right application. It took some time, but after two years, I figured out that there was a critical need in electronics, and now we went basically straight for it. So we were technology with an application, and there was something missing. When you're alone, you have a technology, you have an application, then you need friends. And this is when we met ASM Pacific Technology, great equipment manufacturer, and Henkel, one of the leading material manufacturers, and we connected with them. They connected us with the industry, and having both the technology, the application, and the connection with the industry, this becomes a real business.
Exactly. I think that's one of the most important things for any startup, is to have that collaboration, have those partners, have those networks in place, and hopefully through the Fast Forward Awards we can also help to expand that as well. So what's your next plan for CLAD technology?
So immediately what we're doing is basically we're coming to market. The fields we are working in are the semiconductor assembly. This is the PCB manufacturing, and assembly, but the potential applications are amazing if you think about it, because people don't know exactly what it is, and they know what deposition is. So just imagine that you have something, CLAD, that has the throughput of screen printing, that has the flexibility of dispensing machines, and which has the precision of jet printing. And this is a summary of what we have. And on top of that, I know that you're speaking about sustainability, which is critical. And when you do a PCB, you are doing etching, and etching is not the best for the environment. When you do additive manufacturing, you have deposition of what you need, and it's a much greener technology. So today we are starting with solder paste and adhesives, and tomorrow we'll be printing PCBs. So it's a process, but we already have interested buyers, and this fair, Productronica, has been tremendous. The excitement we've seen at our booth is unbelievable.
And I can confirm that. I was talking to somebody earlier that was trying to get in touch with you to talk to you, and they said there was just there wasn't even standing room in order to get in touch and talk to you. So we're really grateful for you being here today and explaining some more details. I'd like to turn to our platinum sponsor now, Benjamin Klingenberg. You were on the jury. This idea, this new startup technology, is the one that shone out the most to get first place. I have an idea as to why this might be interesting to someone in the PCB industry. Maybe you'd like to put it in your own words.
Yeah, I'm doing PCB since 21 years now. It's all subtractive. Of course, there are approaches in the additive technology, but this is outstanding. Congratulations to what you're doing there. You just mentioned it. You started with solder paste. Your next level is now PCBs, and I guess that's not the end. So amazing. Congratulations to you and your team. And I'm really curious what will come out in the next years.
Thank you very much.
Great.
Thank you.
So a round of applause there, please, for our first place winner, the Productronica Fast Forward Awards 2021. And Benjamin, please give our €50,000 marketing prize to ioTech Group.
Thank you very much. We really appreciate it.
Thank you.
And well deserved, I think. Thank you ever so much. So,
I think every startup, to mention that at the end, really had a good pitch this year, and it was a really tough decision, but ioTech